Kaiser S12. The Kaiser S12 is an advanced walking excavator designed to operate effectively in difficult terrains, such as hills, rivers, and uneven areas. This machine stands out for its flexible mobility thanks to its adjustable legs and wheels, allowing it to work in places that conventional excavators cannot reach. The vehicle is equipped with a Perkins 120 for EE for TA engine, with a capacity of 110 kilowatts, meeting EU Stage V emission standards. For a maximum speed of 15 kilometers per hour, the flexible legs and wheels help the machine operate stably on uneven surfaces and in harsh environments. The powerful engine combined with a high-performance hydraulic system provides optimal power and efficiency. The modernly designed cabin provides wide visibility and an integrated air conditioning system, creating comfort for the operator. The Kaiser S12 is the ideal choice for jobs that require access and operation in difficult terrain conditions, where traditional excavators cannot operate effectively. Chip spreader. A chip spreader is a specialized machine used in road construction to evenly distribute aggregate materials, such as stone chips or gravel, over freshly applied asphalt emulsion or tar. This process, known as chip sealing, enhances road durability and skid resistance. Adjustable widths ranging from 2.5 to 6 meters, accommodating various road sizes, capable of handling aggregates typically between 3 millimeters and 40 millimeters in diameter. Hydraulic drives provide precise control over spreading speed and operation. Equipped with computerized systems to regulate the quantity of aggregate dispensed, ensuring uniform coverage and reducing material waste. Front and rear hoppers with capacities varying by model, allowing for continuous operation with minimal refilling. TG7000 tub grinder. The Vermeer TG7000 is a powerful drum crusher designed for large-scale land reclamation and organic wood waste processing applications. It features a powerful cutting system and advanced technology to improve efficiency and safety on the job site. Powered by a Caterpillar C27 tier for final engine delivering 950 horsepower, it provides enough power for tough tasks. It uses a Series 3 duplex drum with a reversible head and hammer, which nearly doubles the service life, compared to a single-sided design and simplifies daily maintenance. Incorporates a throwing restriction system to reduce the number and distance of thrown debris, enhancing job site safety. Offers an optional loader with a climate-controlled cab and grapple, allowing for a one-person operation to help reduce labor costs and increase efficiency. Mulsion Mini Loader. The Mulsion Mini Wheel Loader is a versatile, compact machine designed for a wide range of applications, including agriculture, construction, landscaping, and property maintenance. Made in Italy, these articulated wheel loaders are renowned for their versatility, offering over 170 different attachments that can be quickly swapped to suit a variety of tasks. Articulated steering provides excellent maneuverability, allowing the excavator to work efficiently in confined spaces. Telescopic boom allows for extended reach and lifting height, increasing versatility in material handling. Hydrostatic drive ensures smooth and responsive control, contributing to operator comfort and precision. Supports a wide range of implements, from buckets and forks to augers and snow blowers, adapting to a variety of tasks. Caterpillar 973. The The Caterpillar 973 is a powerful and versatile track loader, renowned for its strength and adaptability in demanding environments such as construction, forestry, and quarry operations. Designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from site clearing to utility installation and finishing work, thanks to its robust power and traction. Equipped with a spacious cab featuring a 10-inch touchscreen display, high-definition rear-view camera, and slope indicate system for enhanced operational ease. Incorporates CAT payload technology for accurate loading and reduced cycle times, contributing to up to 10% better fuel efficiency compared to previous models. Water Gator. The Water Gator is a remote-controlled aquatic harvester designed for efficient management of vegetation in lakes and ponds. This 3-in-1 multi-purpose machine can cut, scoop, and collect underwater algae and debris, making it an effective solution for maintaining clean water. The Water Gator can be operated from up to 1,000 feet away, providing convenience and safety for users. Equipped with a sickle-shaped cutting head, the machine can cut and collect submerged and floating vegetation at a depth of 4 feet. The suction conveyor is effective in scooping up floating seaweed fragments, algae blooms, duckweed, and other debris. The machine has a holding tank that can hold up to 1,200 pounds of harvested material, reducing the frequency of unloading. The touchless system and on-screen camera allow one person to operate and monitor the harvesting process. Effer 2255. The Effer 2255 hydraulic folding crane is one of the most powerful crane models of the Effer brand, designed to handle heavy lifting tasks in the construction, industrial, and transportation sectors. Progress to Point Zero control system provides an intuitive interface with an always-on control panel, making it easy for the operator to monitor and control the crane in all lighting conditions. The crane structure is optimized for installation on 4 or 5-axle trucks with different axle spacings, ensuring flexibility in operation. Using new lubrication technology with copper material, increasing durability and reducing wear on moving parts. The outrigger system can extend more than 11 meters, combined with a sturdy chassis, ensuring high stability during operation. The Effer 2255 is ideal for jobs that require heavy lifting at heights and long reach, such as steel structure installation, construction material handling, and heavy industrial projects. Prinoth Panther T16. The Prinoth Panther T16 is a robust crawler carrier designed for versatility and exceptional off-road performance, making it ideal for various heavy-duty applications. Equipped with a 275 horsepower, 205 kilowatts Caterpillar C7 diesel engine, the Panther T16 delivers reliable power for demanding tasks. It can transport up to 33,500 pounds of equipment, materials, or supplies, ensuring efficient material handling on challenging terrains. The Panther T16 achieves a maximum speed of 8 miles per hour and offers impressive gradability, capable of navigating slopes up to 60% uphill, downhill, and 40% sidehill, making it suitable for various terrains. The Panther T16 is widely used in industries such as construction, utilities, and energy, particularly for tasks requiring heavy lifting and material transport across difficult terrains. Its adaptability allows it to be outfitted with various attachments, including digger derricks and aerial devices, enhancing its utility in specialized applications. Ropa Moz 6. The Ropa Moz 6 is a state-of-the-art self-propelled sugar beet cleaner loader, representing the latest advancement in agricultural machinery. Building upon the robust design of its predecessor, the Moz 6 integrates cutting-edge technology and enhanced operator comfort to deliver superior performance in the field. Equipped with a 10.2-meter wide pickup system, the Moz 6 boasts the widest cleaning width among cleaner loaders on the market. The Moz 6 is equipped with ArcConnect and Myropo online portal, facilitating telematics, predictive analytics, and online diagnostics. This integration allows for remote monitoring and efficient fleet management. Powered by a Stage V compliant engine, the Moz 6 ensures low emissions and fuel efficiency. Its load-sensing hydraulic system provides prompt response and efficient power transfer, even at low engine speeds. Wacker-Neuson EW100. The Wacker-Neuson EW100 wheeled excavator is a modern, powerful, and versatile machine designed to meet the demanding requirements of the construction and urban construction industry. The vehicle is equipped with an engine, Perkins 8.5 for E-Tier for final, 4 cylinders, 3.4L, 73 horsepower. Maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour, operating weight up to 10 tons. Equipped with a bucket with a capacity of up to 1 cubic meter. The cabin is designed with large windows and an optimal digging boom arrangement, providing a wide view, increasing safety during operation. Ability to move quickly and flexibly on many terrains, suitable for urban work and areas with limited space. Wacker-Neuson EW100 is ideal for work such as digging foundations, installing infrastructure systems, making roads, and construction projects in urban areas. Excavator 7000. The Excavator 7000 is a self-propelled, total debris management system designed to enhance efficiency and cleanliness on construction sites, particularly in roofing and renovation projects. Allows for easy maneuvering around job sites without the need for additional equipment. Enables vertical lifting of the container to position it close to the work area, reducing the distance debris must be thrown. Facilitates easy disposal of collected debris into larger containers or trucks that can be easily transported to and from job sites using a standard vehicle hitch. Fits into tight spaces, making it ideal for residential areas with limited access. Ventrac for 520. The Ventrac 4520 is a compact tractor designed for efficient year-round operation, suitable for a variety of tasks such as mowing, snow removal, tillage, and landscape maintenance. With more than 30 attachments, the Ventrac 4520 offers flexibility and high performance for the user. The vehicle is equipped with a Yanmar 3T NV860 993cc diesel liquid-cooled engine. Maximum speed up to 16 kilometers per hour. Full-time fourth-wheel drive with a flex-frame chassis allows the machine to rotate and oscillate flexibly, suitable for complex terrain. Allows quick and easy front attachment changes, increasing work efficiency. More than 30 types of attachments, such as lawn mowers, leaf blowers, snow plows, tillers, brush cutters, etc., make the machine suitable for many different jobs. Wolf 8000. The Wolf 8000 is a heavy-duty trencher designed for large-scale agricultural drainage and utility installations. Manufactured by Wolf Heavy Equipment, this machine is renowned for its robust construction and efficient trenching capabilities. Powered by a high-performance diesel engine, providing substantial horsepower to handle demanding trenching tasks, capable of digging trenches to significant depths, suitable for various drainage and utility applications. Adjustable trench widths to accommodate different pipe sizes and installation requirements. Equipped with an advanced hydraulic system for precise control and efficient operation, features a durable track system, ensuring stability and mobility across diverse terrains. Sherpa Z2O. The Sherpa Z20 electric mini excavator is an advanced, powerful, and environmentally friendly solution suitable for construction, demolition, and maintenance work in tight spaces or areas requiring zero emissions. Lithium-ion battery, 13.5 kilowatt hours, allowing continuous operation up to 6 hours. If charged for an additional 1 hour, it can be used for up to 8 hours. For a maximum speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. Hydraulic transmission system. For hydraulic wheel motors, providing powerful and flexible operation, skid steering enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Sherpa Z20 supports more than 200 different types of accessories, including buckets, pallet jacks, dozer blades or augers, lawn motors, etc. Overrossen RSC400. The Verizon RSC400 is a high-performance, compact runway sweeper designed for efficient snow and debris removal on airport surfaces. Built on a 6x4 truck chassis, it combines sweeping and blowing functionalities to ensure clear runways, taxiways, and aprons. Designed for efficient clearing at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour, ensuring rapid snow and debris removal. Its compact build allows for excellent maneuverability, making it suitable for various airport areas, including tight spaces. Equipped with automatic brush adjustment and integrated diagnostic tools for optimal performance and maintenance, compatible with biodiesel, promoting environmentally conscious operations. Python 5000. Python 5000 is a self-propelled pothole patcher designed so that one operator can perform the entire patching process without leaving the cab. This machine increases efficiency and safety in road maintenance. The entire pothole patching process is controlled from the cab with a simple joystick. Can patch an average pothole within 2 minutes. Uses hydraulic pressure control rollers to ensure good compaction, creating a semi-permanent patch. Equipped with a John Deere 4045 HF 485 engine, can move at high speed on the road to work sites. The multi-axis arm can move sideways, forward and backward, extending up to 1.2 meters from under the cab and providing lateral movement up to 1.8 meters. Porsche Pronto 7 DC. The Porsche Pronto 7 DC is a high-performance, universal disc seed drill designed for precision seeding across various soil conditions and tillage systems. Its robust construction and advanced features make it suitable for both conventional and conservation agriculture. Equipped with maintenance-free bearings, offering up to 125 kilograms of coulter pressure for precise seed placement, even at speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour. This parallelogram-controlled double-disc coulter provides up to 150 kilograms of pressure, ensuring consistent seeding depth in heavy or stony soils. Allows simultaneous placement of seeds and fertilizer or to different seed types with separate metering and combined delivery to the seed coulter.
Bye bye!